Okay, so introducing FastFrame from Ultima Displays. Tool-free modular exhibition system which can be used from shell schemes all the way through to space only. Number of different components available to assist you build. The whole stand behind me packs away into approximately 18 of the carrier bags in front of me, fully branded to hold your fabric, graphics and your frames. So you can build cupboards, arches, walkthroughs, 90-degree corners, 45-degree angled curved displays, and also have your own folding FastFrame counter. Very simple, very lightweight, easy to use. Called FastFrame because it is quick to install. Each bag will contain feet and the framework, which comes in multiple widths, 1 metre and 1200 wide, 2 metres and 2.4 high. Installation is fast. Support bars lock into place, drop on to your feet. Your frame is now ready for use. Take your silicone-edge graphics. Start installation from the corners. All of the corners on the frames that you'll see are open-ended to allow for wider graphics to be fitted. So you can use as an individual display like so, or continue building the desired width. Sustainability, you only invest in the frame, nothing goes into landfill, and you just re-graphic as and when required for your event. Graphics are washable at 30 degrees, and replacements can just be sent out in the post in a bag. So start in the middle. So very efficient, tool-free, slim, lightweight display. FastFrame.